In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Destiny 1 on PC. In order to do that, you first need to head over and make sure to see right here this. As you have noticed, in order to help you with this query, I have in here this Reddit thread. As you can see on this answer, there is no Destiny 1 per PC. It's never ported off consoles. So as you can see, maybe you can see right here and never hated why this Destiny 1 is not available on PC since it is only available on console. So what you can do right there is you just need to head over and have Xbox Game Pass and get it right there. And from there, just had it ready for your Xbox console in order to play Destiny 1 for the particular network station right there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out with everything you need. Thank you so much for watching.